Get ready to meet the future of luxury electric SUVs, the 2026 Genesis GV60. This isn't just another EV. It's a vehicle that's poised to redefine the entire premium driving experience. With its futuristic styling, a cabin that oozes refinement, and technology that feels like it's been plucked straight from tomorrow, the GV60 is making a bold statement in the next-gen electric world. In this full review, we're going to dive deep and break down everything you need to know, from its stunning design and exhilarating performance to its impressive range, smart features, and so much more. Let's start with that head-turning exterior. The 2026 GV60 boasts a sleek, coupe-style SUV profile that's both athletic and elegant. At the front, you'll find Genesis's signature two-line LED headlights, which give it an unmistakable and sophisticated presence. The body is clean and aerodynamic, with smooth curves that flow seamlessly from front to back. Details like the flush door handles, the bold rear light bar that mirrors the front design, and the sporty alloy wheels all come together to create a premium, modern identity. But this design isn't just for looks. Every line and curve is optimized for maximum efficiency, helping you get the most out of every single charge. Step inside, and the GV60 welcomes you into a minimalist luxury cabin that feels both spacious and intimate. You're immediately greeted by premium leather seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a stunning panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with natural light. Everywhere you look, you'll find crafted textures and high-quality materials. One of the standout features is the floating center console, which creates a sense of openness, and you can't miss the crystal sphere shifter. It's a true piece of art that rotates to reveal the drive selector when you start the car. Comfort truly meets innovation here, with features like heated and ventilated seats and exceptional cabin engineering that keeps road noise to an absolute minimum. Now, let's talk tech, because the 2026 GV60 is a technological powerhouse. Dominating the dashboard is a seamless dual 12.3-inch display setup. One screen serves as your digital instrument cluster, providing all your essential driving information with crisp graphics, while the other is your gateway to a highly intuitive infotainment system. Of course, it comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for effortless smartphone integration. The tech doesn't stop there. You get a crystal-clear 360-degree camera, facial recognition for keyless entry, and even fingerprint authentication to start the car. And the augmented reality navigation is smoother and smarter than ever, overlaying directions onto a live video feed of the road ahead, making every turn a breeze. So how does it drive? In a word, smooth. The GV60 delivers that instant, silent acceleration you expect from a premium EV, combined with precise, responsive steering and an ultra-quiet ride. That immediate torque gives it a punchy, responsive character that makes zipping through city traffic or merging onto the highway an absolute joy. When it comes to range and charging, the 2026 model is expected to feature an upgraded battery pack, pushing the estimated range to somewhere between 280 and 300 miles on a single charge. This makes it perfect for both daily commutes and longer road trips. And when it's time to plug in, the GV60 supports ultra-fast charging. At a high-speed DC fast charging station, you can replenish the battery from 10% to 80% in as little as 80 minutes. To suit different driving needs, the GV60 will likely continue to offer both single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations. This isn't just about raw power, though. The delivery is incredibly smooth and confident, perfectly blending exhilarating performance with the efficiency and refinement you want from a luxury EV. Safety, as always with Genesis, remains a top priority. The GV60 comes packed with an advanced suite of driver assistance systems. This includes forward collision avoidance assist, which can detect cars, pedestrians, and cyclists. Smart sensors and radar technology work together to elevate your security and stability at every turn. Beyond safety, the GV60 is loaded with smart convenience features that make everyday life just a little bit easier. Imagine pulling up to a tight parking spot and letting the car park itself with the remote smart parking assist feature, which you can control from your key fob. The car also receives over-the-air updates, so its software is always improving without a trip to the dealer. Little touches like the powered tailgate, automatic door closure, and the ability to use your smartphone as a digital key add layers of modern convenience. Plus, you can use simple voice commands to control the climate, media, and navigation, making the cabin even more driver-friendly and intuitive. Despite its sporty, coupe-like roofline, the GV60 is surprisingly practical. It offers a good amount of cargo space in the back, and the split-folding rear seats allow you to expand that area for larger items. There are also plenty of clever storage compartments throughout the cabin for all your personal belongings. One of the big advantages of its dedicated EV platform is the completely flat floor. This creates a surprising amount of extra legroom, especially for the rear passengers, giving everyone a roomy and comfortable ride. It's a vehicle that's perfectly suited for families, weekend getaways, and navigating the urban jungle. It's a car that you'll look forward to driving, no matter the distance. So, what makes the 2026 Genesis GV60 truly stand out in a crowded market? It's the brilliant fusion of design, technology, and performance. With the GV60, Genesis continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, proving that you don't have to compromise on style or luxury to go electric. This vehicle is a prime example of their forward-thinking approach.